Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners on Bob Iacchino. So Bitcoin spike up with 69.90 to 7,016, getting up to 69.83. I'm going to update this with the extended pullback and get the next set of levels, pulling back to the rotation zone you see here right at the bottom, and this prior breakout or prior resistance becoming support. If we get below about 64.80, we'll start watching for 63.57. And then actually about 63.57 to 62.50. That's a little wide range. You can also do a projection down, again, projections to help fine tune it. Seeing if we can get some key support back in there. On a strong rotation back up with a key close on the 4-hour time frame above about 6,800. Start watching again for that 69.83, 71.50 to 7,200, then 73.14. Those are all the key levels. I hope you noticed the divergence is setting up, which generally leads to either the pullback or a sideways move. So you see here higher, 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 high price action, lower, lower, lower RSI. So when you see something, you can be prepared for, like, this is a pretty much drift sideways and testing the bottom of the rotation zone. Now, if we do get that close below the rotation zone, then start watching for that bigger pullback. It is out of overbought condition on the 4-hour chart, though. You can see here has not been able to get a key close above. Yesterday closed just above it. I'd really like to see it close a little stronger than that, but that's what we're going to be watching for. So you get a close. Let's just go above yesterday's close. 64.90. So let's say a close above 6,500. That'll take you into neutral mode on the daily time frame. That key support, really watch the 63.50 area. You have the bottom of the rotation zone coming up to it, and that's also where price was rejected from repeatedly. So if we do get that bigger pullback, that's one of the first key levels you'll be watching for. Taking a look over at Ethereum. Here's Ethereum. Also, you can see that no divergence here. It did not eke out a higher high. It did not go spike up to do anything. So all those levels are the same. Holding at the rotation zone and the 50. Did not get a ton of separation on this. So we're going to be really watching about 134.50. Close below 134.50. We'll start watching for the bigger pullback. So we have this little support shelf in there about 130.60. Then if we fell below that, I'd start watching for potential return down to, this 122 area. Let's take a look at that daily chart. So again, those upside levels are all the same, and you have the top of the rotation zone coming in with the most recent major swing high about 154. So on any rally, 154 is the key level to watch. Still holding, still closing within the rotation zone, although this day is not over. If we get a close, though, below about 134, then we'll have closed back down, and we'll really start watching for a potential pullback in price, bigger pullback in Ethereum. Ethereum acting a lot weaker than Bitcoin. So we have for you on this very quick update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.